Welcome, today in front of me Samsung Galaxy J5 2017, and I'll show you how to lock SIM card with SIM pin on this device. So first you should go to the settings and then scroll down to the biometrics and security. Here scroll a little bit down to the other security settings and click to set up SIM card lock. Now just to lock your SIM card with SIM pin, tap once on the switcher and here enter your password. In my case that will be from 1 to 4. Now just tap here to OK, and as can you see, we just successfully locked our SIM card with SIM pin. So that's it, that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.